In Switzerland, train stations are reimagining public space with dignity and innovation by introducing retractable sleeper pods for the homeless. These compact units are designed to unfold at night along quieter parts of platforms, offering a sheltered place to sleep. By dawn, they fold back seamlessly into the station infrastructure, maintaining daytime mobility and aesthetics without permanent obstruction. Each pod is built with insulated panels, soft inner linings, and foldable bedding. Designed to be both discreet and functional, they protect users from harsh weather, cold wind, and concrete surfaces. Some models are even equipped with USB ports, powered by solar tiles embedded nearby, ensuring minimal energy use while allowing phone charging for communication or job search. The pods represent a bridge between urban space and social responsibility. Rather than pushing homelessness out of view, they integrate compassion into public architecture. Their retractable nature addresses the concerns of space and cleanliness often raised in crowded stations, while still prioritizing the well-being of those in need. Trained personnel oversee their use, ensuring that the system runs safely and respectfully. Many who've used the pods report better sleep, reduced stress, and a momentary return of dignity. Municipalities see them as a step toward humane urban design, especially during winter months when cold exposure can be fatal. Switzerland's approach sends a message. Innovation isn't just about speed or tech, but about how we treat our most vulnerable with respect and design that adapts to all.